Everyone, well, today we're off on another motorhome adventure and we're heading towards the
Cotswolds.
Yeah, we're on the A46 in Warwickshire.
Yeah.
So I wonder if you can guess which campsite we're going to. We'll tell you. Where are we going, Tony?
We're going to Broadway's.
Yeah, we've never been before, so come with us and let's enjoy the weekend. See you shortly. Well, we've arrived at Broadway Club Campsite, which is part of the Caravan and Motorhome Club. We're on a nice pitch. We're on pitch number 93. So it is an electric hookup with awning. So this is our pitch. There's Tony just taking Archie a little walk down there. Only pitch, very level. We're on pitch 93. I just thought I'd show you that. And we're on a white pitch now, white peg pitch, and as you can see they are white pegs, but they have a blue background on a blue background, and the white number is on the blue. So of course when we arrived, I'm saying to Tony, well, these have all got blue numbers on, so these must be blue pictures. But they're not. They're all white pegs, and there's only one blue pitch here. So yeah, so just be aware of that when you come. Motorhome's all set up. We've put the chairs around, sorted the sink out, got water. As I say, we're on electric hookup and it's not fully serviced, so that means that we have the Fiamma waste there, so that when the wastewater tank gets full, Tony will empty it into that and just, you know, go down to the service point and empty it. But it's a lovely campsite. We are a bit near the road. We didn't realise we were, but it's not too bad. It's just, you just get a bit of a hum. But it's a massive site. We'll show you around later. But we're also near a railway station where there is a steam train. So we're going to look at that, and we're also going to have a walk into Broadway, which is a nice little village. So I'm going to get myself together now, and we're going to walk. So we'll come back to you later. So bye for now. Right, so not far from where we're pitched, because we're just pitched over there, there is a service point here with your wastewater, drinking water, and your chemical waste. Oh, that's very good. Near to hand. Some empty pitchers around us.
Little picnic bench there.
A little picnic bench and a little park for children here. Just through that gap. This way
The dog walk.
Yeah, the dog walk. Let's just go and see where this takes us.
Free to roam off the wheel through here, it says.
Archie just
Sorry,
walked into it.
Didn't realise
Tony,
you can't see.
poor little Archie.
And here's the dog kennel, which is very handy.
Yeah, you see, because this is another part of the site, and then it goes right the way over there, goes up a hill to the railway station. So let's have a walk up here, see what this dog walk's like, whether it's very big or is it just a tiny area. Have a look what's around here. I don't think this goes very far, to be quite honest, but it's a little walk for the dogs, isn't it? It's nice, it's all under the trees. And it runs alongside the campsite. And the other side is Farmer's Field. It's still going, it's quite a walk. See where it brings us out. There might be another gate. Look at the trees. They're all turning colour. Going to the oranges. There's some pink. Orangey pink. We've got a smell of smoke in the air, unfortunately. Somebody's got a bonfire. Maybe a farmer on the field. Yeah, it's all through there, look, you can see it's misty. Not good breathing that in. We're all going to smell of smoke, I think. It's getting my eyes, to be quite honest. Ooh! Nearly tripped up then. Right, and it comes out just here, look, which is at the bottom end of the campsite. What's this say here? Broadway gravel pit. And these are the birds that you can see there. We've got a facilities block just in front of us. And there's also another service point just there. It's a motorhome service point where you can empty your grey and freshwater waste. As I say, that's the facilities block. Now you can go down there as well. They're all white pictures. Got a telephone booth here, look, with books. Dishwashing area.
Sorry, Arch, got some steps.
Up you go, Archie, gently. Good boy. Off you go. He's a clever boy. There's another service point just up here. And then there's some more pictures along here as well. So this is another motorhome service point. It's where we filled up on the way in. Let's go and have a look up here. Broadway goods shed.
Okay, I'm just entering the goods shed at Broadway Club Campsite, built in 1904 for the Great Western Railway, and it's now a little museum. Inside the museum is a caravan that belonged to the late His Royal Highness Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, who was patron of the Caravan and Motorhome Club. It was kindly donated by the Prince in 2018 and was collected from Windsor Castle by the club. The Duke made use of the caravan while partaking in his favourite sport of carriage driving and would relax in the caravan between events. Behind this glass case is the world's first purpose-built leisure touring caravan called the Wanderer, which was manufactured in 1884. There's Julie and Archie waiting patiently.
There's the railway station. I think you can have a run to Cheltenham Racecourse.
We'll have a look at the timetable.
Yes, so that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Just a little run on the train.
Yes.
Let's go round here. I think that's the end of the dog walk here. It's just a little one, isn't it?
Yeah, it just follows the track for a short while to the fence there.
But at least there's dog bins. That's the reception just there. All the pretty hanging baskets. And again, you've got fast track here. We came in on the fast track lane, which is where the yellow bollard is. That's fast track, and you come up to the bollard and it just lets you in. It just means that you've paid the night before and they fast track you. So as soon as you get here, it recognises your vehicle and lets you straight in, which is great. An old truck here. Railway truck.
We're to 1908.
1908. Wow. This is the walk up to the railway station. There's a map here of where it goes. So we're at Broadway up here, and it goes all the way down here to Cheltenham. Yeah, the old lanterns. The old British telephone box. Don't see many of these now. Oh, and it's got the old telephone in it.
Even the phone's in it.
Oh, it's locked. You can't get in it.
Oh.
It's just a phone. Oh, that's novel, isn't it? There's the signal box. And the signals there to change the line. The other side of the station's been knocked down. Doing some work. Got a little coffee shop there, look. Hot drinks and cakes. Come on. Here we go. Train departures times. And we're just having a walk into Broadway. Look at the lovely trees, the colours, beautiful. I'll come back to you when we get a bit nearer. The village of Broadway has a history dating back to the 10th century, evolving from a small settlement into a thriving coaching stop and a centre for the wool trade. Its wide street, or Broadway, gave it its name and accommodated bustling markets before a decline in the 1850s caused by the arrival of the railway. This temporary setback, however, preserved the village's historic architecture, leading to a late 19th century renaissance, when artists and writers discovered its preserved beauty. And then we've got Broadway Licensed Restaurant Food of India.
It's a very old building.
Yeah?
1450. That's how old the building is, yes.
It's all Cotswold stone, isn't it?
Like a sandstone.
Yeah. And then we've got the village green to your right. Lots of cottages around the green. People eating in the Swan. Got a an antique shop here. Lots of goodies in there. Nice. Gastric burgers. The Roods, this is called. Shoes in here, boots. Very posh. Slate Shoes, it's called. A cook shop. The Man Cave.
A man cave. Chocolate.
Thatched cottages. The Cotswold chocolate. This is the reception area.
And they've got a herb garden tray.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Help yourself to a pinch of herbs. And then if you walk along here a little bit more, you've got some more herbs mixed with some pansies. And then a picture made out of bottle tops and container tops. That's good.
Join us on our next motorhome adventure, where we take you on the Gloucestershire-Warwickshire Steam Railway, a heritage line that was built on the path of the original Great Western Railway. And even Archie's enjoying himself.